Really? I thought that's like authentic Mexican beer. I've been lied to. I'm not a true Mexicano. I'm not from the barrios. Oh my God. Before I go, I want to take you out.
Oh,
For a pint.
for a pint. Yeah, tomorrow. I can do tomorrow.
Okay, perfect. Get home before it rains.
Thank you.
Yeah.
You too.
All right,
Find
super.
shelter.
I will. Yeah, super nice meeting you. Enjoy your day. Okay.
Thanks.
Yeah. If you've ever walked past a woman you were attracted to, and kicked yourself later for not saying anything, or maybe you tried to start a conversation, but it fizzled out awkwardly because you had no idea how to keep it going, or you're just tired of relying on dating apps that eat up your time and give you nothing back, well then, you're in the right place. In just a moment, you'll see a full unedited clip of me approaching a girl in London. You'll see exactly how I start the conversation, keep it flowing, and build enough connection for it to actually go somewhere. And if you're new here, my name's Ephraim. I help busy, introverted professionals attract hotter women into their lives within 72 hours or less, without changing their personalities, using my proven quiet confidence playbook. And if you're curious how this system works, then I'll link a free training at the end of this video that will break everything down step by step. Hey, excuse me. Hi.
Hi.
Could you hear me?
Yeah. When? Just now? Yeah.
Just now, could you hear me?
Yeah.
Oh, because you look amazing.
Oh, thank you.
I just wanted to come and talk to you for a bit. So.
Oh, good. Thanks.
Yeah. What are you up to? You're walking slow.
Yeah. I'm tired.
You're
Didn't
tired.
sleep last
I
night
get it.
at
Me
all.
too. I got
Yeah.
some jet lag going, so I didn't have the best
Where
rest
do you
either.
come from?
San Francisco.
Ah.
Have you been? Wait,
Yeah.
you're from the US.
No.
No.
Close, but no.
Wait. Oh, close.
Yeah.
I was gonna guess somewhere else in Europe.
Nah.
Canada, Argentina.
No.
Am I closer?
Your U.S. is closer.
The US is closer than Argentina.
Yeah.
Panama.
No. North.
Did you say Peru? I don't know where.
No, Peru is south.
I don't
I'm
know.
Mexico.
Oh, you're Mexican.
Yeah.
So tú hablas español?
Sí.
Sí, yo hablo un poquito. Porque en escuela tomé 4 años.
Pero
So-
si te hablo así rápido y bien, si me entiendes.
Sí,
No.
es muy difícil para mí, lentamente, por
Yeah,
favor.
Okay. Por favor.
So why are you here?
In London, I live here.
Okay, why? Why do you live here?
I came here for uni and then I just stayed.
You stayed, nice. Yeah, I like it so far. I've been here this is my 3rd day now.
Third day. Oh,
Yeah.
you just got here.
I just got
Damn,
here. Yeah.
okay.
So this is only the 3rd place I visited. I went to the Covent Garden,
Yeah.
and that was the first day. And then my friends took me around the Oxford Street yesterday.
Very touristy.
Yeah, that was honestly kind of scary. It was like there were
I
so
hate
many
Oxford
people.
Street.
I don't think I'll go back there.
No,
Yeah, there were so
no.
many people.
This is a nicer area.
I like it. Yeah, so I
It's a
figured
bit touristy, but it's nice.
a little bit. Yeah, but it's cool. It's still pretty busy out here, but I like it so far.
Yeah, very busy.
So are you getting off work now or?
Yeah, I just came back. Yeah,
Nice.
yeah. Had an early start today, so.
Yeah, I was gonna say you're getting off pretty early. It's
Yeah.
not even 3 p.m. Yeah. Wow.
Yeah,
What kind of work?
I'm in music, so. I
No
just
way.
Came from a
I'm talking to a
production
world
session.
famous rapper right now. No way. Are you a music like maker or producer? Or?
Yeah, I'm like a singer-songwriter.
No chance.
Yeah.
So I could wait. So if I look you up, I'll like see like concert tickets and stuff with your name.
Soon. I have gigs lined up. In 2 months.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
That's really cool, actually.
Yeah,
Wow. So have you ever performed in front of like a crowd in a show?
Sure.
It's insane.
Yeah.
And you play instruments.
The guitar.
Kind of living my dream. Wow.
Nah.
No, because my cousins and I, we used to we have auto-tune. You've heard of like FL Studios.
Yeah.
So like we'd buy the auto-tune for like $100, and then we would do our thing there. But like we don't actually have talent. It's just fun. It's
Just
fun to mess
auto-tune.
around.
Yeah.
That's insane. Wow. So your studio's around then?
Actually, it's so far away.
Oh,
It's
okay.
west. I just got off the station there.
I see.
Yeah, but I live close to here because everything happens here.
I see.
I just
Nice.
record west.
It's really cool. Okay, so then when are your shows? I'm here for a month, so I mean I would bring my friends and we would go. What is your name? We would go. I'm Ephraim.
Ephraim.
Yeah, I'd bring my friends. I'd go. We'd be in the crowd.
Hopefully. No, I'm finishing the recording of an EP.
Okay, nice.
So I'm bringing it out once it's ready. Then it's promo shows and then tours and then yeah.
So there's like a science behind this.
Yeah.
No, that's insane.
A lot of like marketing, PR.
That's insane. Wow. I think you're the first. Wait, so I assume it's not a rapper, singer-songwriter. What kind of music?
It's all in Spanish.
Oh, Spanish.
weirdly enough, yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
wow, that's so cool. Wait, so how are you making money then right now? Do you have like another job, or you're getting paid through this?
I get paid a little bit for songwriting, for other people, writing lyrics. I write reviews for music.
Yeah. So you're a ghostwriter for like Drake, or
Yeah.
imagine?
Yeah, if you ever hear a song that's got the name in it, I wrote it.
Really?
Yeah?
Not. Or is that a different person? Oh,
No.
it's different.
A lot of- a
Wait,
lot
but
of
there's a lot of though. So you have that name trademarked? That's like your singer name?
Yeah.
No way. So I probably could find you then and listen to some of your music. That's
Yeah.
insane. That's insane. Okay, well I'm here for a month.
Nice.
I haven't. I'm going to Barcelona next, but I haven't booked my flight yet. So my plan is to stay here for a month. Do you like to, aside from making music, do you like to drink? What do you like to
Do I
do?
like it? Yeah, I like to drink.
You do? A lot? Oh wait, you're Mexican. Tequila. I like to do.
If you find good tequila
Margaritas.
here, then yeah. If not,
Oh, it's difficult out here, is it?
Yeah.
I haven't drank yet since I've been here. So,
no, you should go to pubs.
Yeah.
I love beer. I'm a big beer drinker. Beer here is so good.
Really?
Like pints are really cold and really good. Yeah.
Yeah, I heard it's like a beer culture.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, yeah, I
Better
want
than Mexican beer though, but
not better. Yeah,
Does the
Modelo.
job.
Corona is my favorite. Corona
no,
Modelo.
Corona sucks.
That's my favorite beer.
No.
Really? I thought that's like authentic Mexican beer. I've been lied to.
I mean, it is, but it sucks. It's
Oh,
like
you
the
don't like it?
worst one.
So what's the best one? Tecate? Don't say Tecate.
No, Victoria.
I've never heard of that one.
Ah,
I'm
see?
not a true
need-
Mexicano.
yeah,
I'm not
no,
from the
you're not
barrios.
true.
Oh my god. That's crazy.
Yeah.
Okay, well look, I'm here for a month.
Nice.
Before I go, I want to take you out
Oh,
for a
That'd
for a,
be nice.
for a pint.
for a pint.
Does that work? So look, I don't have my SD card yet.
Yeah.
So do you have internet on your phone? I'll
Yeah.
give you my WhatsApp. You
Add
use?
me on Instagram.
Oh, I don't use it. Do you use WhatsApp?
Yes.
I don't know how people communicate out here in the UK, but
What's up?
okay, sweet. Yeah, because I don't really want to. I could get an SD card, but I figure there's so many coffee shops around. I don't need
Get
to.
an eSIM as well. It's
An
easier.
eSIM?
Yeah, that's what I do when I go to Mexico.
Okay, well then maybe. How much is a eSIM?
I have no idea. You can get plans for like it's cheaper than to get a new SIM card.
Okay, perfect. Well, I'll put my name in here for you. I think in Spanish you would say Efrem.
Efraín.
Ephraim. Oh, Ephraim. I see. But out here it's, or at least, yeah, out here it's Ephraim.
Efraín.
Yeah, and you're. So do you do this Monday through Friday, or how does your schedule look?
It depends on the studio and the times they have, and yeah, it's kind of hectic right now.
But you're out here every day. Sounds
Every
like.
day,
Every
yeah.
day, grinding away.
Yeah.
And then when you're home, you do your writing.
Yes.
It's a cool life.
Social media and stuff. Yeah.
Okay, I won't tell anybody. Do you record when you're drunk?
I write when I'm drunk.
Yeah, that's fair. You think it comes out better?
It's
got
just
the
when
emotion
when
and-
you're stuck and like you can't find a chord progression or you can't find the right lyric or something, just drink.
Just drink. Yeah, just drink those pints. Oh my god.
Yeah.
You almost got sniped by a bird. What's going on here? How do you say bird in Spanish? ¿Cómo se dice?
Pájaro.
Paja.
Pájaro.
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 Pájaro. Nice. Yeah, I'm a little rusty.
Pigeons, I hate them.
Yeah, they're everywhere in California too. I'm like used to them in the US.
Sky rats.
Skyrat. Okay, well, today's Thursday.
Thursday.
I think we're gonna go to. They're gonna take me to Brick Lane tomorrow,
Oh, nice.
and
that's
then
very close.
is it close? Nice. Oh, I was gonna say, what are you doing tomorrow or Saturday?
Saturday I can't because I have a show.
Oh, nice. Hell yeah.
Sunday I have a show too.
Wow.
Friday, maybe. Yeah. Tomorrow. I can do tomorrow.
Okay, perfect. Well then, shoot me a text. I'm gonna ask you to pick the location because I've got no idea where I am.
All right.
But then yeah, maybe afternoon, evening time it would work for me. I'm not gonna drink too much. I'm trying not to get drunk early on my trip. But yeah, I'd love to buy you a drink and we'll have a good time. All right.
Okay.
Get home before it rains.
Thank you.
Yeah.
You too.
All right.
Find
Super.
shelter.
I will. Yeah. Super nice meeting you. Enjoy your day. Okay.
Thanks.
Yeah.